Hello and welcome. This is Sal Summers here with SS Multimedia. Today, we're going to be talking about 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8 as factors.
Alright, let's go to our objective. So our objective is understanding how to break apart numbers to solve a multiplication problem. So y'all know what understanding is. And breaking apart is, like if you have number 4, you can break that apart to 2 plus 2. We'll talk more about that later. Okay, numbers is, that 4, 2, and 2. Those are all numbers. 3 is a number, 4 is a number, right, all that. To solve, right, to answer, and a multiplication problem, right? 4 times 7 is a multiplication problem. 8 times 9 is a multiplication problem. 100 times 290 is a multiplication problem. If it was 100 plus 290, that would be an addition problem, different. So we're doing these. Okay, so that's what we're doing. Let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start with an example. We have 4 times 8. Okay, and we're going to solve this. So let's say we only know our multiplication tables up to 4. Okay, so we know 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's okay. Okay, but we have an 8 here, so how are we going to solve that? We're going to solve it using the distributive property. Okay? So what that basically means is that we can break apart numbers and the total will stay the same. Okay, you'll see what that means. So we have 4 times 8. Okay, what we can do, I'm gonna use red here. I'm gonna write this nice and big. 4 times 8. What this is saying is that this is equal to whatever. So what plus what equals 8? Okay, so let's list down all the add-ins of 8. So 2 plus 1 and 7, 2 and 6, 3 and 5. We'll do this down. And 4 and 4. Those are all of them, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna find which one of them deals with 4 and only, right? Because 1 plus 7 equals 8, 2 plus 6 equals 8, 3 plus 5 equals 8, and 4 plus 4 equals 8. So this is all good. Which one of them has a number above 4? Okay, 3 is below. Okay, 5 is above, right? So I'm going to take green and cross this off. 6 is above, right? 1 is not above. Okay, 7 is above. Okay, that leaves this one. 4 and 4 are not above 4. They're equal to. So we're going to do. So what we're going to do here, we're going to do 4 times 4. Let me try that again with a better color. 4 times 4 plus 4 times 4. Okay, and that will be our answer. So I'm going to write that equals something a little closer. But 4 times 4, we know this is 16. And this is 16, right? Carry that down. We have 16 plus 16. And of course, we all know how to do addition, right? We group, and we have 32. So our answer here is 32. 32, so our answer is 32. So if I went a little too fast, we're going to do one more. Okay? 5 times 5. No, 5 times 6. Let's do 5 times 6. We only know up to 5. Okay, let's pretend we only know up to 5. Right? We're going to break apart these numbers. Okay, and I'm going to go a little quicker on this. So we have my good color here. 5 times what? Leave a blank there. Plus 5 times what? Equals. And guess let's list down the add-ins of this. So we have 1 plus 5 equals 6. 2 plus 3 equals 6. That's it. No. Sorry. What am I doing? 2 plus 4 equals 6, and 3 equals 6. Okay? Which one of them deals with only below 5? Okay, only below 5. These two. I'm going to show you how we can do it with both ways. So we can take these numbers, right? 5 times 2 and 5 times 4. And we can do it like this. 10, 20. 10 plus 20 is 30. And so here's 30. Or, let me erase that. Right, or we could take this one. 5 times 3, 5 times 3. Right? So 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 3 again is 15. Those added together equals 30. Got the same answer both ways. So now we know how to do this. Let's go ahead and move on to problem time. Okay, so our problem time. Solve using the distributive property, which is what we talked about up top here, right? This thing right here, right? So solve using the distributive property. 8 times 9, 6 times 7. Break apart the factors. You only have to break apart one. Okay, and let's pretend we're going, let's do 6 and below. You only know for this one, 8 and below. So, here. You know what? I'm not going to give you anything to work on. Just break apart one of the factors and solve. Pause the video. Give it a go. Alright, so I'm assuming you've paused the video. Now we're going to check your answers. Okay, and by the way, post your answers in the comments below. That way I can see what you did. We have 8 times 9. Right, we have 8. Okay, and I'm not going to explain it as much. I'm just going to do it. So, I am going to do this a little away. Okay, sorry about that thing. We have 8 times 4 and 8 times 5, because 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay, this is 32. This is 35. Just kidding. 40. 40. Okay, you add those together, we get 72. The answer here is 72. Write that down. It's big. Okay. Now we have 6 times 7. Let's write that down here. Let's move down a little. 6 times 3. Let's do 3. 6 times 3 plus 6 times 4. 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, and 6 times 4 is 24. You add those together, right? And you get 42. Equals 42. There you go. And of course, let's write that down here. Here's the fun part. Here's the fun part. Write that down nice and big and nobody can complain. And so here are our answers, 72 and 42. Hope you got that. Post in the comments below what you got.
Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, make sure to hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.